So what's your name?
I'm Chuck Minnesota,
And where are you from?
St. Louis, Missouri.
Okay, and what skills are you planning on learning today, or would you like to learn today?
Draw shots, position, and the rail cut shots and stuff like that.
Okay, did you see the pre-clinic series on YouTube?
Yeah, I watched a couple of videos.
Is there anything that stood out that was beneficial?
Right, yes, they were helpful. Some of the shots I got some better understanding. So.
Kind of prepared you a little bit for what's, okay. Chuck, so this is the middle of day 2. You still have aiming systems to go. So there's still a lot to learn, but as so far in the course, have you learned what you thought you were going to learn? And as far as like yesterday, you had some stuff in mind, but were you able to learn that?
Yes, definitely. It was a lot of information in these 2 days that was given to us, and we have still about 2 or 3 hours to go. So I got all my questions answered today. So I'm pretty happy that I took this course. I learned a lot. I would highly recommend to anybody who is seriously thinking of playing pool.
Is there any kind of recommendations as far as something they can improve on, as far as the instruction or the course at all?
The instructors are pretty good. They have full knowledge. They shared everything as far as my expectation was. It was beyond my expectation, actually.
Okay.
I'm pretty happy that I took this course.